Today I'm going to go over this BenQ e-reading light bar type thing. It basically sits on top of your monitor and it illuminates your desk without messing up your screen. It's pretty awesome, so let's get into it. So this is not a paid thing. However, BenQ did reach out and ask me to review their product, and I was super psyched to hear from them. I love BenQ as a company and a brand. I think they're really good and they produce really top-notch stuff. So I was very excited to try it. So I've had this for about 2 weeks and I'd say it's pretty awesome. It's worth the $100 and there's a couple features that I think that are extremely awesome. And I just want to mention a few of the things that I find most special. The first is it gets powered through the USB, so you don't have to have this extra plug to have this lamp on your desk. It sits on top of your monitor and it plugs into the USB of whatever device, say your Mac or monitor, and it powers it that way. But what I love about that is because when you shut down your computer or make it go to sleep, when the monitor sleeps, it shuts off the light, and that's super awesome. So when I just get back to my desk and I just wake it up, the light kicks on, my whole setup's all set and I'm good to go. Another great thing about this that's super awesome is you get to change the color temperature, and I think it goes down to like 3500 Kelvin to like 6500 Kelvin. I'm not totally sure the numbers, but it is really warm on the warm side, and it's the pure white. I think it's 65. Yeah, that's super awesome. It's just a touch of the button. The response on the buttons is really, really good. I have another touch lamp that is super finicky. It seems like the touch lamps always have some kind of thing that I'm not super into, but this one responds really well. You can adjust it as well, not only just with like the little weighted counterweight, but you can swivel it inside the bracket and put that direction out towards your desk a little bit more when you need it. Because it's created in this way so that it shoots the light down onto your desk and none of that light hits the actual monitor. There's no glare or anything like that. Now, if I turn mine all the way towards the monitor, it will hit the little rim of the frame of my monitor. Yeah, that's about it. It doesn't actually create any glare. It just shoots right in front of it and it works exactly as it's advertised. There's not really much else that I can think of to say except for it's just one of those things that they put thought into all the little things so that I didn't have to. I just sit down, turn on my computer, and it's all set, and I have my little desk area zone. When I shut it down, it shuts everything down. It's that simple, and it's just works without any hitch. I don't have to turn it on all the time, and if I don't want it, I just hit the power off. That's really that simple. It's not this crazy thing that has 1,000 features. It's just something that works really well. Yeah, that's it, and I hope this helps you. Until next time, over.